Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Amazing Videos. So we are playing today Minecraft and we are starting a new series, and I want to say you guys that I have already recorded the series but I am not able to upload it. So I am recording the series once again. I'm making a new world because the series are going too long, the videos are going too long, so I will be making 10 minutes video. A video will be of 10 minutes to 9 minutes, sorry about that, but I will be uploading it like within 2 days each video. So our Minecraft is loading. Okay, almost full. And I am like playing it first time in this my channel, and I have created a new channel, so please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my videos to others, please recommend my channel to your friends, and thank you. So my Minecraft version is 1.16.2 not 1, and this is my what to actually I don't have a proper gamer tag, so I have done a tutorial pen 309, and this is my skin. There's a torch on my face. Okay, so let's play. We are going to create a new world and create yes. So we are creating a new world, and I'm just going to enable starting map because I need a map because I always play. I am thinking to enable some packs. Okay, I don't have any packs. Okay, I have it on my other account. Okay, so now I'm going to name my channel, I mean my world, on the name of my channel, The Amazing Videos. This world is one. Okay, so if you want this, you can see that I'm playing it on normal. It's normal. Survival, obviously I don't want to go back. Survival, bonus chest off, and if you want to see, you can see the cheats are off, and there's nothing else. So let's create it. I'm just going to pause it because I don't want I want because I'm making the video small, and it will take a lot of time. And I wanted to say you guys that do you know, when we generate a world, it obviously takes time to generate a world. When you make a new world, after making a world, you can obviously like go a little bit fast when you just play on the world, but while generating world, you can see on my screen, there's a middle bar over here, and you can just see generating world, and you can see so many things written over there. Those are very important tips. They just give you tips which you don't know. If you know, then okay. If you don't know, you can read these tips and you can just know few important tips about Minecraft, and it says so many things about it. My world is half generated now. Okay, I'll just not be skipping it. So it's generating. I can see a lot of tips over here. You can see a lot of tips, like see baby turtles, brew some water breathing potions for underwater exploration. See, these are very important. You can smell 20 items. See, these tips I'm talking about. In a furnace, by using a block of dried kelp. Need coal for torches. Try smelting some logs in a furnace to make charcoal. You can see a lot of tips over here, and these are it's loading. These are really important, and if you know these tips, then if you want, you can read them. Okay, I'm just going to create a map. Okay, I can see a village in front of me. Okay, there's a blacksmith also over there. I always, whenever I make a world, I just put the starting map on, and this in this series. Okay, I got some sugarcane. This series I'm playing in English. If you guys want in Hindi, then please comment me down below in the comment section. Okay, it's okay, I was just able to see through the land. I'm just chopping this tree because I want some wood. Because in the village I might find some wood in the chest. But obviously the first rule of Minecraft, whenever you generate a world, chop some trees, and you can just make some main items of the game. And if you're very lucky, you can find a village, and I'm really lucky because this is my first video which I'm making for my channel. This is a new channel. I hope so this channel grows a very big. So I was just killing this piggy. Come here, piggy. Just want, how many hits does it take? I don't care. Okay, it's going far. Okay. Oh, I'm really lucky. I got 3 pork chops. I just hope I get some diamonds, iron tools in the blacksmith house, because obviously there's a chest. This much I know. Wait, how much hits does it? Okay, 2. I got few arrows. Oh, I got 2 feathers. It's like very lucky for me. Today's day is very lucky for me because every time it doesn't happen like this. Some sheep. Oh, hello, blacksmith. Some pigs. I'm just kidding. I know I can find food in the village, but still, I want to kill these. Oh, I got 2. Oh, I got a free seed. I don't care. Oh, there's a lot of gravel over here. I can easily get some arrows, sugarcane. I'll just grow some. I just want to try. Can I grow sugarcane? Oh, no, I can't grow them on gravel. Okay. Because I will be seeing the time also, guys, because I need to end this very fast. Only like 9 to 10 minutes. I'm very sorry about that. And I will be uploading a videos each day, or a video in 2 days, because like my device on which I'm making videos, and even I need to edit them, and while uploading it doesn't upload. I tried uploading few videos on my channel, with long videos, but it didn't upload. Okay, I got a 2 room chest room. Obviously first respawn point set, because if I would not set my respawn point, okay, the tree is going, because whenever we chop a tree, if we don't leave even a single piece of log over there, I got 6 saplings, then all the leaves from the tree just go down, and it's very necessary to set a respawn point. Okay, some carrots, potatoes in the farm. Blacksmith. First I'm going to see what is it trading. Okay. I can see an iron axe, but it takes emeralds and 15 coals for 1 emerald. Better than that, I can just mine iron and make a axe. Please God, I want diamonds and iron tools. Please, I hope so. 3 and 2 and 1. Then shit, what a bad luck. Okay, I got some armor. That is a bit good, but a little bit bad luck, because like whenever for putting armor, and if you guys don't know, I know that most of the people know, but still, when you hold a armor in your hand and when you just click anywhere on the screen, it just goes on your body. You don't need to just go from here and put your armor over there. Okay, and okay, wait. Oh shit, I'm extremely sorry. The iron golem's over there, but mistakenly I just hit him. I'm very sorry. I'm just going to hide for some time. For some time, I'm not that time, because I'm not that scared of iron golem. I can just easily run into my house and wait for the next day. I believe that iron golem doesn't get angry on me, because by mistakenly I hit this guy and he doesn't. Okay there. But he's selling an enchanted sword that I will be buying from him, because I want it. Few carrots, and I'll just plant one. I hope so that iron golem doesn't kill me, because each and every village obviously have a iron golem in edge, and these iron golems are very strong. These can, like, in 2 hits you are murdered, and that's it. It doesn't take anything else. Please bhaiya, please God. The chicken is pushing the iron golem. Have you ever seen this? I just saw the chicken was going and it pushed the iron golem. I've never seen this scene in my whole entire gameplay of Minecraft. Okay, so I will be showing all of my gameplay to you guys. Really very scared going. I can see so many rooms. Really, I have got so many chests. Double door rooms means you got chest in those. Okay, I just don't like these flowers, but flowers are a bit good, I guess. So I can make dye from them, and I can just make some sort of thing from that dye. I really don't know so many things about Minecraft, and I don't understand why do I not get achievements and advancement in PE. I have the latest version, I believe, because like in each and every video I see they get advancements. So please guys comment me how to get advancements, achievements in Minecraft PE versions 1.16 2.1, please. There's no chest. Okay, I know. I don't get in these types of librarian's house. I get just in some two double-decker beds house, I guess so. Okay, I don't want to open this. There is a sort of farmhouse, a house in which there is a farm inbuilt. This villager is not stuck, but still he's not going out of there. Okay. Another house. I don't want to check those single door house because I obviously know they don't have anything inside them. Nothing. Only these houses have something good, and I'm going to actually, this area is very good. Okay, a little bit going. What's it done? Okay, I might be ending my video over here, but I don't want like a little bit more long. I wanted to make it like half an hour per video, but I'm not able to upload it. So like I will be making some parts and all. Actually, this is episode 1. Okay, I'm just going to go inside my home. Well, okay, wait, something else, there's nothing. And I want to say that in the second video or the third video I'll be making a house. No, actually I need a lot of resources, then only I can make a house. Obviously I prefer everyone, please take this tip. I want to give this tip to everyone. If you know, then okay. If you don't know, then take this tip. Always make home near your spawn point, not respawn point. Make your home near your spawn point, because whenever your bed, like even like it's very low chances to, if your bed to get destructed. If your bed gets destructed or anything happened to it, then you will obviously spawn near your main spawn point. And if you make a house very far from your main spawn point, then it will be a very big problem for you. You need to go a lot of way, and if you very good, if you have a map with you, then no problem. But even no actually, because if you die, obviously all the items will go, whatever you had. But before dying, whenever you spawn in a world, just note the coordinates, and whenever you die, before that, just note the coordinates as fast as possible. Because if you know you are going to die, then note the coordinates, because it's very necessary. Because with the help of coordinates you can just get back to the place, because coordinates will never go. I have enabled them. If you want to know how to do, I will say, because while generating a world you'll obviously get those things. So nothing to do that, you just enable them and just check them properly, where you spawn, where you're going to die, and that's it. Spawn point set. Okay, I didn't get even a single piece of iron. Okay, that's it for today guys, bye. And I'm just saving and quit. Thank you guys for seeing my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you, bye.